Hey everyone, so I just filmed a whole first impressions video and I just washed off my face because nothing was turning out right. I wasn't liking the look and I honestly was just over it. So I'm going to try this again. I don't think I'm going to use as many new products because I think that's just what was killing it for me. But I was like, you know what? I'm not going to give up. I'm going to try filming this again. So I hope we can get through it this time. I'm going to just start by filling in my eyebrows. Now there goes a sight from my soul. There goes a sight from my soul. Let's comb out our eyebrows. So I'm gonna go in with Maybelline Fit Me Dewy and Smooth in color 210 Sandy Beige. Oh my god, I forgot to put primer on. Today is just not my day. So I'll be using Maybelline concealer in the color 20, which is Sand. I think this color is a little too dark for me, but we are gonna try it out. So I do a triangle under my eyes, go down my nose, my lip, chin. I really like brightening up on, around my mouth. I bring it up to my forehead. Now I'm really liking this concealer. I wouldn't say it's full coverage. It has a very nice sheer finish. Now I'm gonna set my under eye with Maybelline Fit Me loose powder in the color Light Fair. Once I set my under eye, then I start setting other areas like around my lips, my nose, and my forehead. So basically anywhere that I concealed, I set. As you guys can see, this is mainly the T-zone area. Okay, so now I'm just gonna start contouring, and I'm gonna go in with Maybelline concealer in 30 Honey, and I'm going to just frame my face. So I'm gonna go up my cheekbones here. Ashy color in the light to medium Anastasia contour kit, and I'm just going to highlight my cheekbones, come around my forehead. Now I'm just going to apply bronzer and blush. So I'll be using my Butter bronzer. I'll be using NARS Orgasm blush, apples of my cheeks. I want to apply just the tiniest bit of highlight, the bridge of my nose and the ball of it. My Cupid's bow. And that's it actually. I don't want a cheek highlight today. I actually want a little bit on my under the eyebrow. Oh, by the way, I was using the Anastasia Glow Kit. I'll be using the Maybelline Precise All Day Liner in the color Black. Okay, so they might not be symmetrical, but you know what? We're gonna fly with it. I did not think I would do this well. So now I'm gonna put some mascara on, and I'm gonna focus on the outer edges of my eye because I want this cat eye look, and I feel like a winged liner just always helps achieve a cat eye. There goes a sight, there goes a sight. So now all I need to do is lips, and I actually have some new lip products. Touchable Top, Brown Blush, and Toasted Truffle. And then I got the Maybelline lip liners in the color Totally Toffee and Magnetic Mauve. Totally Toffee kind of looks just like Nude Truffle from NYX. So I'm just gonna use that. I'm gonna line my lips.
walk by. I think it's all angels just walk by. There goes a sight from us.
Now I'm going to fill in my lip just a little bit. I'm going to put Touchable Top. It's like a nice brown color. Okay, and now I want to put just a little bit of some shine right in the center. So just any gloss you have, just right in the center. Okay, so the look is complete. Ended up being, you know, a look that I actually like. I got my nude lip going, not too much for the face, just very natural and fresh. And then the wing liner, which I can't believe I pulled off. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe, give this video a big like, big thumbs up, and let me know what other videos you guys would like to see. See you guys soon. Mwah.